Here are some of the most common behavioral problems in dogs and how to deal with them. Number 1. Excessive barking. We all know that dogs bark. It's their way of communicating. But when your dog is barking all the time, it can be pretty annoying. Dogs bark for many reasons. They might be excited, bored, anxious, or even just trying to get your attention. To deal with this, you need to figure out why your dog is barking. If they're bored, try giving them more exercises or toys to play with. If they're anxious, work on making them feel more secure. Sometimes, teaching your dog the quiet command can help. You say quiet when they start barking, and when they stop, you give them a treat. This way, they learn that being quiet gets them rewards. Number 2. Chewing everything. Puppies and even older dogs love to chew on things. It's natural, but it can be really frustrating when they start chewing on your furniture, shoes, or anything else they can get their teeth on. Dogs chew to explore their world, to relieve boredom, or to soothe teething pain. The best way to handle this is to give them plenty of chew toys. Whenever you catch them chewing on something they shouldn't, gently take it away and replace it with a toy. Praise them when they chew on their toys. You can also try using a taste deterrent spray on things you don't want them to chew. Number 3. Jumping on people. It can be cute when a small puppy jumps up to greet you, but as they grow, it can become a problem. Dogs jump on people to say hello and because they're excited. But not everyone appreciates being jumped on, especially if your dog is big. To stop this, you need to ignore your dog when they jump on you. Turn your back and don't give them attention until they calm down. Once all 4 paws are on the ground, then you can pet and praise them. You can also teach them to sit when they greet people. This way, they learn that sitting gets them the attention they want. Number 4. Digging up the yard. Dogs dig for various reasons. To bury their toys, to make a cool spot to lie down, or simply because it's fun. While digging is a natural behavior, it can ruin your yard pretty quickly. To manage this, you can create a designated digging spot for your dog. Fill a small area with sand or loose soil and bury some toys there. Encourage your dog to dig in that spot and praise them when they do. If they start digging in other areas, gently guide them back to their designated spot. We are already halfway through, and if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Moving on to number 5. Pulling on the leash. Walking a dog that constantly pulls on the leash is not fun for anyone. Dogs pull because they're excited to explore the world, but it can make walks stressful and exhausting. To fix this, you can use a no-pull harness or head collar, which helps discourage pulling. You can also teach your dog to walk nicely on a leash by stopping every time they start to pull. Stand still until they wait to come back to you, then start walking again. This way, they learn that pulling gets them nowhere. Number 6. Food aggression. Food aggression can be pretty scary. It happens when a dog growls, snaps, or even bites when someone approaches their food. This behavior comes from a dog's instinct to protect their resources. It can be dangerous, especially if there are small kids around. To manage food aggression, start by feeding your dog in a quiet, safe place where they feel secure. You can also practice hand feeding your dog to build trust. Another method is to add tasty treats to their bowl while they're eating, so they associate people approaching their food with something good. If the aggression is severe, it might be best to consult a professional trainer or a vet for more advice. Number 7. Begging at the table. Begging is a common issue because it's hard to resist those puppy dog eyes. But feeding your dog from the table can lead to bad habits and even health problems if they're getting too much human food. The best way to stop begging is to never feed your dog from the table. Make sure everyone in the house follows this rule. You can also train your dog to go to a specific spot during meal times, like their bed or crate. Reward them for staying there with treats or a special toy. Always remember to stay calm and positive during training, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. See ya!